welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the brand new two of a kind collection from Madam Glam. Oh god, I've missed it. I've missed Madam Glam so much. Right, so since I've had a last packet from them, they seem to have changed their packaging, which is really cool. So you get these like I don't know what you call this bit, you peel it off the side. But my glue bit wasn't stuck down properly, so I could just lift it up anyway, which was funny. But it says on the side, "Hello, glamorous," and inside, oh my god, look at them! I tell you what, honestly, I'm so happy. Right, anyway, so this is the two of a kind collection. Trust me to pick up the first colour that said "Fries Before Guys." Honestly, I was like, that is the best name for a gel polish. So in the collection there are 10 new colours, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, there are 10. I can count, but just about. They're all absolutely beautiful. I just love Madam Glam's packaging as well. You know, inside the box, it reminds me of like those almost, it's not, I mean, it's not really because it is foam inside the box, but you know those like plush quilted chairs you get? It reminds me of that. Speaking of chairs, I want a new chair. And I want a plush quilted one because they look amazing. So I will run through all the colours again in a minute. I just wanted to show you them all. I definitely have, well, I say definitely, I have a favourite. But then I think, hang on, I think I've got more than one favourite. So, yes, you know what I'm like. I can never choose. I don't know. I can usually, sometimes I can choose a favourite. Anyway, so these are all 10 colours. I'm going to swatch them for you right now. And, let's get into it. So the first one is this green and it's called Bye Boy. This one is, actually this one and the next one are a little bit on the sheer side. So they are more, look, translucent. See? You saw my hand through it. So I'm going to do 2 coats on each nail. Some of them, I think you might get away with 1 coat. Well, I think I could have got away with 1 coat on my swatch, but I'm not sure on a real nail, you might need 2, but I'm going to do 2, and then I'm going to top coat them all with the No Wipe Top Gel. So this one is Bye Boy, and it's a beautiful green with a little bit, it's translucent, I'd say. And then this next one is called Heartbreaker. Again, this one has a little bit of a sheerness to it. It's quite dark though, so you can't, I mean, look, you can see through it now. You can see through it a bit. But when I put the next coat on, it's not as translucent. So I'm not sure whether it's supposed to be or not. But I absolutely love this colour. It's so nice. It's like, oh, I don't know. It's just a really nice blue. I don't think I've got a blue like this in my Madam Glam collection yet. So that's good. So that was Heartbreaker. The next one is, right, this is going to be one of my first favourites. This is called First Base. And this is a really beautiful, like, it's looking pink, but it's almost got like a lilac-y hint to it. Like if you held it up to a true pink, you'd be like, yeah, it's a bit more lilac-y. But it's a soft pastel colour, and I absolutely am loving pastels at the moment. So this is the top coat. So yeah, First Base, I'd go there with you. And then this next one is one of my favourites as well. This is called Cupid. Do you know what? I wasn't sure when I took it out the box. But look, when I swatched it, it's like a pastel coral. It's a really beautiful colour. It's a really nice, it'd be a nude, wouldn't it? A nude pastel coral. It's definitely up there with my favourites. So 2 coats and then the top coat. And a hair. So there we go. That was Cupid. The next one, again, probably one of my favourites, 50 Shades of Pink. This reminds me a little bit of a gel polish they used to have called Popsicle, but I don't think it's not the same. I don't think it's the same, but it reminds me of it. And the coverage on this one was just so, it's so creamy and lovely. And then the top coat. There we go. I'm going to pop that into the lamp. By the way, all of these cure for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. I missed the name of... No, I didn't. You Free Tonight. All right, You Free Tonight. That's this one. And if you like any of these gel polishes that you see, you can purchase them from www.madamglam.co.uk. I do have a 30% off discount code, which is natmug30. But if you join their VIP like subscription thing, you can get 50% off all the gel polishes, which is an absolute bargain. This next one is gorgeous. This reminds me of Daddy's Girl, but it's called Dolce Vita. It is a slightly different shade, but it's a beautiful, bright, fuchsia-y pink. Yeah, it's a fuchsia-y pink, I'd say. I'm so rubbish at describing colours. That's the second coat. Isn't that gorgeous, though? And then the top coat. Oh, this would look gorgeous matte finish, wouldn't it? I'm very low on matte top coats, so I haven't matte top coated any of these. This next one, I really like this. I wasn't sure about this at first, but I'm actually using this in the set that I'm doing today. It's called You Wish. It's a really nice, it's like a pinky red, I'd say. That's the first coat. So yeah, this is going to be the base colour of all the nails that I do in the set. I like to do a set when I do, when I swatch a new collection. I also like to do a little set with them, because I just think it draws people in a little bit more. This is a nice orange called Single and Fabulous. Fabulous. It's kind of like, oh, I want to say like a pumpkin orange. Do you think it's a pumpkin orange? Or has it got a little bit more red in it? I'm going to show you a picture of them all swatched together after I've swatched them all, and before we move on to the design that I'm going to do with them. And this next one is Fries Before Guys. Honestly, do you know what? I really wanted to use this one in the set, but I didn't, because I don't think I could have fit it in. But it is probably my favourite yellow. I love pastel yellows, but this yellow is just really nice. It's almost reminded me of like an egg yolk, but I really like this. It's going to be really good for doing things like bee nails or sunflower nails coming up. You know, it's going to be really good yellow. So, and I love the name. Fries Before Guys. So here they are all swatched together. And now I'm going to move on to the design. So as I said before, I'm going to take You Wish. Yes, I do. This is going to be on all of the nails. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go on to this first nail. And then I will, off camera, I will just do the rest, because otherwise it's just very samey. Pop them in the lamp for 30 seconds. Doesn't that look amazing already? Then we're going to go over with our second coat, because we can still ever so slightly see the blue tack underneath. So this one would need 2 coats. Again, I'm just going to coat this first one, and then I'll do the rest off camera. Look how amazing they look like that. Oh, I love them. Amazeballs. Right, so what I'm doing now is I'm taking a little bit of 50 Cupid and You Free Tonight. I was going to say 50 Shades of Pink, but it's the wrong one. I'm going to put 2 little dollops of this on my palette. And then I'm going to take not a detailer brush, a striper brush. Striper brushes are amazing for doing really long lines. So I've just recently discovered. The longer the line, the easier it is, the longer the brush. The longer the striper brush, the longer the line. Does that make sense? Now, striper brushes are available from a lot of places, so yeah, just have a look around and pick which one is best for you. I think this one is like something like 20 millimeters. It's a really long, maybe it's I think it's 16 millimeters. I can't remember. It's a long one. But look, it makes lines so easy. So what I did was I rolled the brush into the gel polish, and then you just, it's just pips. Look. Easy. I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure, and then I'm going to go down the side of that. Can you see I'm rolling the bristles in that Cupid, and then it just makes lines just a breeze. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I love saying that. I don't know why. I'm going to do this on both sides. So we're going to have I was going to do one through the middle of each of those, but I thought, do you know what, I'm just going to do 3 lines today, because as I said, I didn't want to overcomplicate things. So again, look, just roll in the brush through that gel polish, and then we're just going to run the striper brush straight down. Oops. And I'm trying to make the lines, there was a little bit of flick or something that I had to get out. But I'm trying to make the lines the same width as well. But anyway, once I've done that, I am going to pop this nail into the, can you tell I'm watching Netflix at the same time? Because I keep pausing. I'm actually in the middle of watching Homeland, which I'm really enjoying at the moment. So there we go. That is going to go into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Then on the next nail, I'm just going to draw a heart. This time I'm using the Nail Sugar Natalie Mugwort Detailer brush, which is out of stock, but more will be ordered, or if they haven't been, they will be ordered very soon. But this is very similar to the striper brush, only it is, I think it's 7mm. It's it's not a long, it hasn't got long bristles. Does that make sense? Yeah, it does make sense. Yeah. So I'm going to do the heart. Once I've done the heart, I will cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then I thought it looked a little bit patchy. So I decided that I wanted to go over with a second coat, just to really intensify that pink and get rid of any sort of little blotchy patches. And then I cured it in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I thought I would just do some little dots on the last nail, because I had some of that Cupid and Are You Free Tonight left on my palette. I thought I would just take a dotting tool and just, again, little dots, so easy, anyone can do them. I'm putting them randomly on the nail as well. So that is Cupid. Then I'm going to take the pink, which is Are You Free Tonight, and just place that between the Cupid dots. Again, you can make these as big or as little as you want. I didn't want them too big. Once I did place them on, they did disperse ever so slightly. So they did get a little bit bigger, but not massively. I'll put one more down there at the bottom, and then I will cure that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Okay, and then I am going to take some Velvet Matte Top Coat. I just show you me doing the first one because I've got very little in the pot that I had to put the nails down to. It was a little bit fiddly. So yeah, I'm going to do this one, and then I will do the rest off camera. And then I will pop those into the lamp for 30 seconds for a full cure. Then I've got these crystals. I think these were from the Crystal Parade, but there was nothing on the bottom of my pot, so I don't know what colour they are, and I don't know if they're Preciosa or Swarovski, so apologies. Yeah, if they are from Crystal Parade, you can get 5% off using my code NAT5. But I'm not entirely sure if they are. But what I've done is I've put some gem glue down the centre of this nail. This was just a plain You Wish nail with the matte top coat on. And the crystals are going to go all the way down the centre. I don't even know what sizes these are. I'm going to just neaten them up as well. Just make sure that that line is nice and straight, and that the crystals are not wonky at all. Because once you've cured these, they're going to be stuck there, and you don't want them to be stuck wonky. There we go. So I'm going to pop those in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I will, yeah, these are the finished nails. I'm going to put them on my little thingy and give you a close-up. Ta-da! I really like these. They're simple, but I think they're nice. If you like them, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. Don't forget you can get 30% off any Madam Glam gel polishes using my code NATMUG30. I'm going to show you a picture of the nails, and then at the very end I'm going to show you the colours of Madam Glam. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you beautiful up tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye, love you.